Singing lessons for beginners. For those who want to sing but don't know where to start, here are some singing lessons for beginners to help jumpstart your dream of becoming a singer. Get a vocal coach. The easiest way to get singing lessons, especially for beginners, is to get a vocal coach. If you have the time and money, getting a vocal coach is probably the quickest solution to learning how to sing. Although not everyone takes this approach due to financial concerns, getting a vocal coach ensures that you'll get real-time feedback from a professional as you go through your vocal exercises. Singing lessons from vocal coaches takes months and you'll usually be billed on an hourly basis. However, this one-on-one time with your personal vocal coach gives you the chance to ask questions and get an immediate response. Aside from this, your vocal coach can quickly point out anything you might be doing wrong, which will prevent you from developing bad singing habits. If you want to look for a vocal coach, try checking out the classified ads, a phone directory, or get recommendations from friends. Make sure that you choose someone within your area, since it's impractical to waste too much time traveling just for an hour's worth of vocal training. Join a singing group. If you don't have the financial capacity but want interaction with people as you learn to sing, then join a singing group. A school or church choir will be your best bet. You can check out the local community center or colleges for a list of singing groups. Although joining a singing group is fun, there is no assurance that you'll be part of the group that you'd like to join. Remember that most singing groups will require you to audition before you can be a member. Since the goal of joining a singing group is to learn, it's rather odd that you first have to show them that you can sing well before taking you in. However, you can definitely learn from the instructor and the members once you get accepted. What's more, you'll not only improve your individual singing skills, you will also learn how to blend in and harmonize with the group. This will help train your ear and will equip you with skills that you can't get when practicing by yourself. Buy online courses. The most economical and easiest way to get singing lessons for beginners is through online singing courses. Many people prefer this method, especially because they only have to pay a one-time fee for the whole package. Most online singing courses contain comprehensive information on everything that you have to learn about singing. Aside from the reading materials, most courses contain videos, audio lessons, and special software. Some online singing courses offer recording software that allows you to record and listen to your voice so you can identify the things that you have to improve. These courses are usually developed by a team of professional singers and vocal coaches who give or willing to give professional advice to their members. Most websites that offer online singing courses also have blogs and forums where you can interact with other members. You can make a question about your singing problems and you'll surely get a response. However, you should remember to read reviews about the course before you buy. You also have to make sure that the product you're buying is supported by a strong money-back guarantee and a safe and reliable billing system. Learning to singing. Just like any other skill, learning to sing entails practice. Having a great voice is a plus, but you can't expand your ability without practice. There are lots of ways to get singing lessons for beginners. Whether you choose to get a vocal coach, join a group, or purchase an online course, you always have to keep in mind that singing is a do-it-to-know-it skill. If you want to be an expert, this is a proven way. To know more, click the link in the description below for the complete lesson.